Prior to installation, read all information in the manual supplied with the burner system. Ensure all of the specifications in the manual are met. Make sure the fireplace gas supply is turned off. The damper clamp is provided as a means to prevent full closure of the damper blade. Open the damper completely and install the clamp onto the damper. Refer to the owner's manual for details on damper installation and ventilation requirements. Place the burner system in the fireplace. Center the burner from left to right. Remove the adapter connected to the flex connector that is pre-installed on the burner. Attach the adapter to the gas supply stub using a pipe compound resistant to all gases. Tighten securely. Then attach the open end of the flex connector to the adapter. Tighten securely. Be sure to leak test at all connections and tighten if any leaks are detected. For manual pilot models, skip ahead to the following lighting test section. At this stage, the burner system batteries are to be installed. Install the provided batteries in the remote transmitter and receiver or box assembly. For 17 models, place the plastic cover over the remote receiver. Then place it on its side at the rear left corner of the fireplace. Place as far from the burner system as possible. For O2 and 2VT models, place the box assembly on its side at the rear left corner of the fireplace. It should rest with its bottom as near as possible and facing the fireplace wall. The receiver or box must not be placed directly next to the burner pan area to avoid damage to the components. Place toward the rear as shown. Place the decorative heat shield over the receiver or box as shown. Prior to proceeding with installation, perform a lighting test. Refer to the lighting instructions in the owner's manual for lighting the burner. Spread the lava granules on the floor of the fireplace around the front and sides of the burner system. The lava granules may be placed around the receiver or box. Leave the front of the receiver or box clear for control access. Fill the burner pan completely with the sand or vermiculite. Avoid spilling it on the pilot assembly. Slope the media at the same angle as the burner pan. The supplied embers are to be applied at several stages of installation. Sprinkle a portion of the glowing Embers A lightly and evenly over the entire surface of the media as shown. Break up any clumps that may have developed during shipment. At this stage, it is important to note that sand or vermiculite, lava granules, and all foreign objects must be kept away from the pilot assembly during media placement and at all times. Place the rear log. The log should be slid back on the burner until it hits the backstop. The ember stop at the front of the shelf serves to confine the Embers B in place. Place a level amount of Embers B on the shelf in front of the rear log as shown. Place the radiant booster grid onto the burner. The grid should rest against the rear log. The ember stop has notches to properly align the grid in place. Place the remaining amount of Embers B across the top of the grid as shown. Place the left and right front log pieces. The two logs should be touching and centered on the burner. Gently compress the rear and front logs to create a tight fit around the grid. For 18-inch log sets, complete setup by placing the left and right middle logs, the center middle log, and the left and right top logs. For 24-inch log sets, complete setup by placing the left and right middle logs, the center middle log, the center top log, and the left top log. For 30-inch log sets, complete setup by placing the left and right middle logs, the center middle log, the left and right top logs, and the center top log. Separate the bright coals into small pieces and evenly place them over the glowing embers in the area shown. Installation is now complete. Refer to the owner's manual for details on lighting the burner system. The burner system will reach optimal performance and appearance after approximately 20 minutes.